what's up guys? Right behind me you can see the South Bridge, but right behind the South Bridge is the Marina Bay Sands. It's actually a nice view. We're on our way to Capita Spring, which is a tall building where for free you can go to the top and get a nice scenic view of the entire city. It closes at 6, so we have like maybe 25 minutes left. We probably won't make it, but we're just gonna walk there anyways. But the nice thing is, even though it's a 15-minute walk, it's a nice walk.
Here in Singapore, you won't have a problem finding a place to eat because literally every block there's restaurants, food stalls, and shopping too.
So this whole strip that we just walked past is called Clarke Quay, and later tonight we're gonna go to Clarke Quay, which is a very colorful area right on the Singapore River.
What I noticed is the roads are so open here. Not only are they open, but they're very clean, so super nice.
Alright, Capita Spring was closed because it's a national holiday, so we're probably going to check it out another day. We are headed to Marina Bay, where the big Merlion is, and then hopefully as it starts to get darker we could see the light show, so let's check it out. It's a pretty cool spot to stop at. We're here at Merlion Park, and Merlion Park is right across the, what is that called? There's an Apple store that looks like a dome. It's absolutely stunning. And then you have a nice view of the Merlion, oh not the Merlion, the Marina Bay Sands. Very nice, and we're just chilling in this area until nighttime because this time, like for the last 3 weeks I think, or for 3 weeks there's a special event where they have light fixtures at night for you to see. So we're excited to see that. We are glad that we're here in Singapore during that time because I think the event ends in a week or so.
22, 23rd.
Yes, so it ends next week.
We just made it.
So we'll show you what that looks like. It's really crowded over here, but I think for good reason. You have a great view of the Marina Bay Sands, great picture spot, and then if you walk a little further, you'll see the Merlion. There's about 7 Merlions, I think, here in Singapore. I think they removed one, I'm not sure, or they closed it off from the public, but yeah, very popular area. It's popping up in here.
We made it to the Merlion, however, there's so much people here. It's so crowded, shoulder to shoulder. Everywhere else it's very spacious, but here there's a lot of people here, which is understandable because they want to get a picture of the Merlion, so hopefully we get a picture too.
We just finished taking pictures at the Merlion, and now we're gonna go grab a bite before the light show. We just got a little snack because we're planning to eat at a Thai restaurant near Clarke Quay. So we got yakiniku, thinly sliced beef burger.
We're eating under the bridge just because there's no seats available, so we're eating under here, and yeah, we're gonna enjoy our burger.
I really like the burger. It's called fried buns, and look at the bun is like every bite is crunchy. Really, really delicious. I like it. I would get this again.
Hello. The table here is very low, or very high, and the chairs are super low, so that's why I look small, even though I am small in real life too. I got the mango strawberry smoothie. It's a best seller here, one of their best sellers, so let's try it. It looks like the fruit is fresh fruit, so I'm excited to try. You can tell it's real fruit, not like powder that they just put. It's really good.
Nice.
So the iLight here in Singapore, it opens at 7:30 p.m. and it goes all the way up to 11 p.m. Right now it's about 7:15, so we're almost there. We're gonna make it in the opening, so
Yes.
we'll show you guys how iLight is.
And the weather's just perfect.
Perfect,
It's
really
not
nice.
too hot.
Yes. So cool, look at that. This is a rock formation architecture of rocks. Super cool, let's check it out.
So wait, you can push that there?
Yeah, it seems like it's an inflatable light formation. So it's not actually a rock that's hard, but inflatable. But it looks real, which is really cool.
Oh, the iLight stuff is starting to light up. Pretty cool. It looks like stones right behind me, but they're actually inflatables. Really, really cool.
It really warps your face. What do you think?
Pretty cool. There's certain picture spots over there with a ring of like mist. It looks pretty cool because you see like the, what is it, the skyline. But the issue is it's a long line. So we're just gonna check out the other light attractions.
We're in Gastro Beats. It's in conjunction with the iLight architecture stuff. So we're gonna check out the festival here.
It's bubbling. The beer is coming out of the can. Wow. We got the chili crab gyoza, like this. We waited like 20 minutes for this. But we'll try it.
It's vegetarian too. Chili sauce is a nice blend with a gyoza. But yeah, no meat.
Yeah,
So I wonder what it's made out of. Maybe mushroom or something?
maybe.
Justin wanted me to check out the mall. He's been there before 6 years ago.
It was empty.
But now there's a lot of people. I think just because it's a holiday,
Yeah, that's right.
everyone's off, but still nice to look at. So yeah.
What's up, guys? We are at Clarke Quay. I think it's posted up along the Singapore River, and there's plenty of shops. And the nice thing is, at night the lights look amazing. The buildings are different colors. Lots of restaurants to choose from, and we are hungry. We're just gonna find a shop at one of these spots over here.
In your arms, I'm light as a feather. It feels like amor. It's brown eyes and dark hair.
We are ending the night here at Barbecue Box. It is at Clarke Quay. We got some dumplings, got some skewers. Not really hungry, so we're just eating something light. This is aged beef skewer, apparently.
Te quiero a ti.
Tomorrow we have Sentosa, we have Captain Spring. Fun, jam-packed agenda tomorrow. So we'll see you tomorrow, and thank you for watching.